Bears are mysterious and powerful creatures, present on 4 out of the 7 continents, from the dense forests of South America to the icy fields of North America, and across the rugged mountains of Europe and Asia. Their size and habitat range are equally diverse, from the giant polar bears, symbols of the northern ice fields, to the small but agile sun bears in Southeast Asia. In this journey, we will explore all 16 bear species in the world, their habitats, and admire the unique beauty of their subspecies with stunning colors, like the mysterious Tibetan blue bear, the pure white spirit bear, the mighty Alaskan grizzly, and the enigmatic Japanese black bear. Let's begin this fascinating journey. Number 1. Polar bear. The polar bear, the largest bear on the planet, is a majestic symbol of the frigid Arctic. With a weight surpassing even the massive Kodiak bears, polar bears can weigh over 1,500 pounds. Their immense size is largely due to their unique diet, which consists primarily of seals, unlike other bears that rely on a mix of meat and vegetation. They have thick fur, white or slightly yellowish, which helps them blend into their snowy surroundings and keep warm in extremely cold conditions. Beneath the fur lies a thick layer of fat, up to 11 centimeters thick, which insulates them and provides energy during long periods without food. Polar bears are exceptional hunters, primarily preying on seals. They can smell their prey from over 1.6 kilometers away and even under a meter of ice. They often use ambush tactics, patiently waiting near seal breathing holes on the ice to catch their prey when they surface. Polar bears are only found in the icy regions of Alaska, Canada, Northern Europe, and Russia. Known by various names such as the white bear, sea bear, or ice bear, their scientific name, Maritimus, reflects their special relationship with sea ice, where they spend most of their time hunting and resting. However, the life of polar bears is becoming increasingly difficult due to climate change. Sea ice, their natural habitat, is melting, making hunting more challenging and leading to a decline in their population, a significant threat to the survival of this magnificent species. Number 2. Japanese black bear. The Japanese black bear, also known as the Asian black bear, is a unique subspecies of the Asian black bear, Ursus tibetanus, primarily inhabiting the mountainous forests of Japan. Smaller than other subspecies, their average weight ranges from 200 to 300 pounds, but this does not diminish their strength and adaptability in the wild. A distinctive feature of the Japanese black bear is the white V-shaped mark on their chest, making them easily recognizable in the wild. They are well adapted to life in the mountains, where they primarily forage for fruits, nuts, and various plants, but they also supplement their diet with insects and occasionally small animals. Interestingly, Japanese black bears are excellent climbers, often scaling tall trees to find food or escape predators. This exceptional climbing ability allows them to access food sources that other animals cannot reach. The Japanese black bear is not just a part of the natural ecosystem but also an important cultural symbol in Japan, representing the wild and resilient spirit of nature. Number 3. Giant panda. The giant panda is not only a national symbol of China but also a global icon of peace and conservation. The image of the giant panda is often used in wildlife protection campaigns and serves as the mascot for many conservation organizations, including the World Wildlife Fund, WWF. Although giant pandas belong to the carnivorous order, Carnivora, they are one of the few species that primarily eat plants. With a sturdy build, they can weigh up to 275 pounds. Over 99% of their diet consists of bamboo, and they consume up to 12.5 kilograms of bamboo daily to meet their nutritional needs. Historically, giant pandas were widespread across Central and Southeast Asia, including Myanmar and northern Vietnam. However, today they only survive in the mountainous bamboo forests of central China. Giant pandas are solitary animals, with a relatively small home range of about 6 square kilometers. Although they have poor eyesight, their keen sense of smell compensates. They rely on their sense of smell to find mates and to mark their territory by rubbing scent glands against trees. Giant pandas are known for their low reproductive rates. Each year, the female panda only has a brief window of 2 to 3 days to conceive, making population maintenance a significant challenge for conservationists. This is why giant pandas are currently listed as a vulnerable species, protected under strict laws and regulations. The Chinese government has even created bamboo corridors to allow pandas to move freely between mountain ranges, ensuring the survival and growth of this rare species. Number 4. Alaskan grizzly bear. The Alaskan grizzly bear, a subspecies of the brown bear, is renowned for its massive size and extraordinary strength. A distinctive feature of the Alaskan grizzly is its well-developed shoulder muscles, forming a prominent hump on its back. They primarily inhabit Alaska, especially in areas like Denali National Park and Kodiak Island. Alaskan grizzlies can weigh between 600 and 1,200 pounds, with males being significantly larger than females. They have thick fur ranging from light brown to dark brown, often with silver or gold highlights around the head and shoulders. Their diet is highly varied, including salmon, fruits, grass, and even small mammals. Alaskan grizzlies are highly intelligent with excellent memories, especially when it comes to remembering seasonal food sources. They can recall areas with abundant food and return to these locations at specific times of the year. Each year, when salmon migrate upstream to spawn, grizzlies gather along rivers and streams, using their powerful claws and strength to catch leaping salmon. Despite their large size, Alaskan grizzlies are opportunistic predators, often using their strength to take food from other animals. Number 5. Tibetan blue bear. The Tibetan blue bear, one of the rarest bear subspecies in the world, is a mysterious creature that resides in the remote Tibetan plateau, at the foot of the majestic Himalayas. With its unique fur, it stands out with a strange bluish-gray color, especially noticeable around the muzzle, giving it a mystical and captivating appearance. Although primarily black and white, the special guard hairs create this distinctive blue hue. The presence of the Tibetan blue bear in these cold, high-altitude regions has made it one of the most elusive and least studied bear species. However, we know that in the harsh wild, Tibetan blue bears can live for 20 to 30 years, enduring the extreme environment. They are skilled hunters, preying on various mammals, from small animals like pikas to larger species, helping them survive in one of the wildest regions on the planet. Number 6. Qinling panda. The Qinling panda, a rare natural treasure, was officially recognized as a separate subspecies in 2005. Unlike its more famous relative, this panda wears a unique brown coat, giving it a mysterious and alluring beauty. Hidden deep within the forests of the Qinling Mountains, this panda takes its name from the very place it calls home. With an estimated population of only 1 to 300 individuals left in the wild, the Qinling panda is one of the rarest animals on Earth. Although slightly smaller than the giant panda, the Qinling panda shares many similar behaviors, such as a bamboo-based diet and a solitary lifestyle. Its distinctive brown coat sets it apart, making it a unique symbol of the rich biodiversity found in the Qinling Mountains. Number 7. Syrian brown bear. The Syrian brown bear is a small yet remarkable subspecies of the brown bear, distinguished by its light-colored fur and striking white claws, an uncommon feature not found in any other bear species. Weighing around 550 pounds, the Syrian brown bear is the smallest brown bear subspecies, only a third the size of its gigantic relatives in Alaska and Kamchatka. Although they once roamed the forests of Syria, this bear is now extinct in the country that bears its name and is now found only in other parts of the Middle East and the Caucasus. Syrian brown bears have adapted to life in mountainous regions, where they navigate diverse forests ranging from Mediterranean deciduous to lush pine forests. Here, they diligently search for fruits, seeds, and other plants while also hunting small mammals to diversify their diet. Despite their modest size, Syrian brown bears are resilient and adaptable, thriving in the harsh conditions of the wild. Number 8. Spectacled bear. The spectacled bear, the only bear species in South America, gets its intriguing name from the black markings around its eyes, creating the appearance of wearing glasses, although not all individuals have clearly defined white patches. Primarily inhabiting the majestic mountains of South America, especially the Andes, the spectacled bear is a unique species on this continent. They favor mystical cloud forests, tropical forest ecosystems at high elevations, where clouds shroud the landscape for most of the year. With a medium size, spectacled bears can weigh up to 440 pounds and are renowned as expert climbers. Nothing pleases them more than relaxing in the treetops, enjoying the tranquility and panoramic views. Unlike many other bears, spectacled bears do not hibernate, thanks to the abundant food supply throughout the year. The spectacled bear is also famous for inspiring the beloved character Paddington, who traveled from the depths of Peru to London with the help of his Aunt Lucy. 9. Sloth bear. The sloth bear, a unique and slow-moving bear species, is characterized by distinctive features that make them master hunters of termites and ants. Despite their poor eyesight and hearing, sloth bears compensate with an acute sense of smell, allowing them to detect prey from a distance. Once they find their target, they use their long snouts to suck up termites and ants into their mouths, creating a distinctive sound that can carry up to 200 meters. The sight of a sloth bear feeding on termites, with its long, shaggy fur and prominent white V-shaped chest mark, is an unmistakable scene in the tropical forests and grasslands of South Asia, particularly in India, where most of their population resides. Sloth bears not only have a distinctive appearance but also unique reproductive habits. They begin their breeding season in early spring, and after about 210 days of pregnancy, the mother bear typically gives birth in winter. The adorable bear cubs are often seen riding on their mother's back, enjoying her protection until they are old enough to fend for themselves and become fully independent after about 24 to 36 months. Despite their relatively peaceful life, sloth bears face the threat of extinction, with their conservation status currently listed as vulnerable, like the giant panda and spectacled bear. Number 10. Kamchatka brown bear. The Kamchatka brown bear, one of the largest and most impressive subspecies of the brown bear, stands out with its thick, dark brown fur, giving it a strong and majestic appearance. They inhabit the vast Kamchatka Peninsula, a remote volcanic region in Russia's far east, where natural isolation has made it home to the highest density of brown bears in the world. The Kamchatka brown bear's range is vast and can vary significantly depending on food availability. Some individuals may roam over areas as large as 1,100 square kilometers in search of prey. The Kamchatka Peninsula is renowned not only for its wild landscapes but also for having one of the largest salmon populations in the world. When not illegally poached, this abundant salmon supply becomes a feast for the Kamchatka brown bear, allowing them to reach massive sizes. Male bears can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, making them nearly as large as the giant Kodiak bears in Alaska. Thank you for watching the entire video. For now, goodbye and see you next time.